Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So we're starting a new series and we are in New York City, the business capital of the world, I would say. So New York City is the most populous city in the United States. According to the July 2023 census, it's around 8.6 million. And the city was actually settled 400 years ago, around 1624. But it was established or consolidated after 126 years in 1898. So New York City sits in the most or world's largest natural harbors found in New York State. It is composed of 5 boroughs, which is the Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, and Staten Island. So we're going actually from the Broadway and going up to the Grand Central Terminal, which is one of the most recognizable landmarks here in New York City. So among the 5 boroughs, Manhattan, I would say, is which would be the most populous, and most of the businesses and the center of commerce are located here. It is also the place where most tourists go to, so it's a place that you would see a lot of tourists. In terms of the people here, it's quite a diverse population of different races. Yeah, we've been here actually in 2019, and this time you will be going to the places we haven't been before, but because we're going to the Grand Central Terminal, might as well we pass through the Rockefellercenter. And up ahead is actually the Radio City. It's actually Radio City Music Hall, and it was actually built in 1929, if I'm not mistaken. So it was actually built on a plot of land that was originally intended for a Metropolitan Opera House, although plans for the Opera House was cancelled in 1929. And then it opened on December 27, 1932 as part of the construction of the Rockefellercenter. And the building on my right, I think is part of the Rockefellercenter. And the thing that you can see that is recognizable here in New York City is this hot dog stall or hot dog kiosk. You will see it around the city. I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.